sun started to blaze. Let me get ready to go out. I will show you how to dream while you are awake. I hear the clock is ticking. You should get ready to go out. Sparkling music's going on out. It's like a superstar arrives when you need him. Don't be afraid, you don't need to be someone else. The future is in your hands always. Days may be burning, winds may be blowing, nights may be dark, but we don't feel like turning back home. Here is your story, this is the only story. We'll take it easy, we don't feel like turning back home. Roads may be narrow, slopes may be curved, rains may be cold, but we don't feel like turning back home. We'll rise sorry, there's no need to hurry. Sing songs free, cause we don't feel like turning back home. Days may be burning, winds may be blowing, nights may be dark, but we don't feel like turning back home. Here is your story, this is the only story. We'll take it easy, we don't feel like turning back home.
How do you engineer an experience? When you strip away everything weighing you down, holding you back, you begin to float away, weightless, hovering. This is the hoverboard, the essence of pure motion captured, refined, and reinvented. The hoverboard translates your will into motion. A single point of contact with the ground minimizes friction and frees your movement from a linear path. Inside, precision sensors and electronics smooth and stabilize your ride, gently accelerating in whichever direction you lean. The controls are intuitive. Gently apply pressure to one end of the board to accelerate. Lean gently to one side or the other to turn in that direction. When you stop, you can set the board down on its side to dismount. The electric motor powers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, perfectly balancing safety with efficiency at every turn.
In my first company, I had to figure out some way to pack all of the control electronics and the drive electronics into the motor itself. I succeeded in doing that, and we called the product the Smart Motor. That really poised me perfectly for making the ultimate personal electric vehicle.
The hoverboard moves you, but it's also a part of you, with endless personalization options to make your hoverboard a perfect fit for you. Built-in speakers pair with your smartphone, giving you the perfect soundtrack for your daily commute or weekend joyride. Onboard lighting gives you visibility at night, letting you ride a cloud of light to your destination. The hoverboard is perfectly balanced in both form and function. It's fully electronic, whisper quiet, and amazingly efficient. The high-capacity battery takes you 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. And the best part? It's not just an idea. We are riding the experience today.
The thing that sets the hoverboard apart is that it really does take skill to operate. It's an earned experience. You have to get in touch with the nuances of the hoverboard, and once you do, the reward is a gliding, kind of willful experience that carries you where you want to go.
The hoverboard is the ultimate form in a new class of electronic transportation, connecting us to our world in a way we've never experienced before.
The average person spends over 50 hours a year in traffic. That's time that can be used to work, sleep, and more importantly, enjoy the moments that matter. The CityGo scooter with its new kick assist system will change how you commute forever. With the tap of a button, the scooter unlocks. It's portable and also energy efficient, being able to travel over 20 kilometers on a single charge. Ready in seconds, the handlebars flip forward at the push of a switch. With a single kick, the motor is activated and will maintain your speed. Acceleration is activated by the Smart Kick Assist system, which consists of the hub motor and new state-of-the-art smart sensors. The regenerative smart brake system is activated when you tap on the brake, making sure the battery is automatically recharged. While more than sufficient for your city commute, the adjustable handlebars and sleek design are exclusive to the City brand. Weighing in at only 9.8 kilos, the convenient size and compact design means you can take it anywhere, whether it's your car or even the train. There's nowhere you can't go with CityGo. The state-of-the-art LCD screen provides you with constant updates throughout your journey. Equipped with Bluetooth, you can also check the scooter's status with our new app. Route battery power, light intensity, speed, and scooter diagnostics will all be accessible from your phone. Whether you want to fly through traffic, go around roadblocks, or avoid the overcrowded streets, the CityGo gives you 3 speed modes: Novice, Normal, and Sports. Our intelligent app is even able to track where you've been and where you're going. What's more, with its integrated kickstand, you can park the CityGo anywhere. Here at CityGo, your safety is our top priority. With built-in headlights as well as brake lights that can all be controlled by your phone, You don't need to worry about not being seen on the road. So why waste your life waiting in traffic? Keep life on the go with CityGo.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo, a robotic engineering student and a commuter. Every day I take the train going to my university. It takes me 1.5 hours of walking every single day, really too much time. I think a lot of you are in the same situation, and we all know that commuting is both stressful and time-consuming. This made me think how to move more quickly and with less effort. I needed something portable that I could carry on train and even in class. For this reason, I created Bolt, the smallest and lightest electric vehicle in the world. Bolt is more than just an electric board. It's the most portable vehicle out there. It's an amazing means of transport, powerful, lightweight, easy to use, and smart. A small great revolution in the world of mobility. Bolt lets you save time on your daily commute and free more for your favorite activities. It has a top speed of 21 km per hour and is just as fast as a bicycle. It has a range of about 10 km, more than what you need for the short daily commute in the city. With a length of 60 cm, it's the smallest electric skateboard in the world. And with a weight of 4 kg, it's light enough to be carried even when not in use with no effort, on your backpack or by hand. To build the Bolt, I got help from my father, a photographer, electronics engineer and drones maker.
After 1 year of prototyping and testing, this is the final version. The battery and the electronics are embedded in the wooden body. He has a powerful motor of 2000 watts of power, and it can go uphill and start from a full stop. The inside batteries are so powerful that can recharge your devices on the go. Through the built-in USB port, you can even recharge completely your iPhone up to 20 times.
With the remote controller, riding Bolt is easy as playing a video game. Whoa, iced tea, thank you. With its Italian design, Bolt is both modern and practical, and its deck is of the right size for a comfortable and safe standing. It also has the brake to stop safely.
You can think Bolt like a compact longboard. He has larger track for more stability. He has bigger wheels to overcome every obstacles on the street.
Bolt is smart with Bluetooth 4 connectivity. We're going to develop a smartphone app and also integrate it with wearables. Bolt has extremely low running costs and lets you save money on fuel. A complete recharge for an entire year will be less than $5 on the bill. And when the sun goes down, turn on the lights and continue to skate. We believe that everyone deserves a better way to move. We want to make Bolt the most affordable for anyone. But to cut down costs, we need an economy of scale. Our manufacturers are ready, but now we need your help to start production of Bolt. That's why we are here on Indiegogo. If you like the project, please tell your friends and support us to receive amazing perks. Thank you.